Greetings, HUNCH students and instructors. Bob Zeek here and Bill Gibson. Just a quick thank you to our teams in the southeastern region from the states of Alabama, Tennessee, Mississippi, Louisiana, Kentucky, Georgia, and Arkansas. As you know, with the COVID situation, we're unable to conduct our year-end awards day. So you're viewing this video as a heartfelt thank you. Please know we appreciate all the hard work you have done, whether it be in the machining, the flight hardware, design and prototype, high fidelity mock-ups, sewing, video challenge, software, or culinary. We at NASA are really proud of you. What you got, Bill? Anything?
Well, just want to say thank you for all the high quality work that we got out of all the schools, whether it's double locker, single locker parts, handrail parts. Just want to say our appreciation, and your certificates will be coming virtual this year through your instructor. Your instructor will receive those, and then you can print them out to the quality that you need. Look forward to seeing you all next year. Hopefully everything will be back to normal.
Great. Seniors, a quick congratulations to you on graduating. Good luck with your pursuit in education or career, whatever that may be. If you need anything, please contact us. We would be glad to help you. At the end of this little video, we have a slideshow with pictures and tasks listed by states. Please view those. And I guess with that, Bill, we'll call it a year, and we'll see y'all in the fall. Thanks.
See you later. Thanks.
Enjoy your summer.